So let's just see how we can export from one module. So currently this required statement basically calls and executes the entire module, but we do not want that. We want to export some functions or variables from this module that they can be available to other modules and they can be repeatedly executed. So for this we can use the module.export. So previously we have seen that the module is one object. So here you can see the module is one object, and inside the object we have the export property. So we can write module.export to export certain part of the module. So here to export this add function we can write module.exports and we can export the add function. Now we have to import this here, so the require function basically going to import this exported add function. So here we have to store that in a variable, so we're gonna use add fn variable to store the function. And now because this is the function that is imported, so we can call that multiple times. So we can call add fn and we can pass parameters like 1 and 2, and we can call this multiple times with several different parameters. And if we run this, so you can see we have the output. So this is the way we can export from one module, and then we can import that in other modules and we can reuse that multiple times. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.